Hi everybody, it's Cindy at Sunshine in Gilbert Town Square, Gilbert, Arizona. And today what I thought I would do is just chat a little bit about maybe how we're feeling, maybe how you're feeling right now going through all this stay at home, all across the world, stay at home. It's kind of crazy how small the world becomes and how quickly we can reach out and just communicate with each other. So isolation, the word of the day, is really hard, isn't it? It sucks. It just sucks. Especially those of us that like to give out lots and lots of hugs, where we get that energy, and just touching people provides that human experience. So many of my clients, I had to shut down the studio clearly because of the stay at home. And it kills me because so many of my clients really need that touch. They're in pain, and I know I can help them get out of it. Just not being able to see them, it's just killing me. So I miss you all. I can't wait to get back to working with you again, and that's why I'm popping up these little videos. And hopefully, people are still working out with me in their own home. So it's whether or not you're by yourself or with family members. I'm lucky here. I'm with my brother and his family, and that's been very, very helpful. But I have another brother in Indiana, my sister in Missouri. I just have to reach out to them virtually. I have my daughter in Florida. She's expecting, and I can't even get there to give her a hug. I mean, it sucks. And my son's in Dallas, and he's struggling right now, and would love to be able just to give him a hug, and I can't. So it's with voice and visually through, Skype and Facebook and Zoom and all of these wonderful technologies that we have at our fingertips really helps bridge that gap. So sending everybody a little virtual hug here. I can do that. Try to feed your brain during this time. It can get really overwhelming, especially if you watch the television. It can get a little bit intense, and there's a couple times I've just got to shut it down. Facebook, sometimes I just got to shut down. It's too much. When you absorb all that energy, it's hard to process it. And when it just comes in waves like that, and you keep waiting for the other shoe to drop. So it's a little bit unsettling to say the least. So during these times, what I would suggest, I am not the expert in everything whatsoever, but I do know a lot of really good people. And a lot of my mentors are also out there online providing their amazing brains and offering ways that we can all learn. So I encourage you all to take this time and find something that you're passionate about doing and learn it. Study it, become the expert in it. Why not? Anything you can do to improve is just going to improve your life down the road. So that's kind of a cool thing right there. And I will be posting their websites that I follow, my mentors that I follow. I'll be posting their information below. Pretty awesome people that I've had the privilege to study with, and there's lots of good people out there. We're in this together, for sure, and we're in this to provide support to each other, whatever that is. Yesterday was really hard. I had a friend of mine whose daughter had to have an emergency MRI, which is scary enough. But calling around frantically, truly just trying to find some masks that she could borrow and use so she could be with her daughter. It's stuff like that. That's real. That's not, it's real. It's not going to go away. And just the outpouring with the community that they were able to get, my friends some masks. It's just heartwarming. It's heartwarming. Superfluous, that's the word I was looking. It's not. It's just this is actually real life stuff, and that kind of support that we can give each other is so important. So breathe deeply, go back to your breath, and move frequently, and play nice with others. I'll see you soon.